Hello. A lot of times I have seen students getting confused between a mathematical expression and an equation. So today we'll try understanding the difference between the two. Let us start with the term expression. So an expression is actually a phrase that has a value associated with it and it does not have an equal to sign. So let us take an example. If I'm writing 3x plus 7, so this is our expression. The reason being it has got a term with a variable. So x is our variable and it has another term which is without the variable. So this term is called as a constant. So an expression would have a term with a variable and in addition it might or might not have a constant. So this is our expression. An expression can also be simplified. I can write 3x plus 7 as 3x plus 4 plus 3. This is also an expression, but 4 and 3 are like terms. They are both constants, so I can add them together. And 4 when added to 3 gives you a 7. So 3x plus 7 is a simplified form for the expression 3x plus 4 plus 3. So the expressions can be simplified. Moreover, for an expression, we can take variable or multiple values of x and get the value of the expression. Let us take an example. Let us first put the value of x as 1 into the expression. So this expression changes to 3 times 1 plus 7. So this is equal to 3 times 1 is 3 plus 7. It gives us a 10. Now, if we take another value instead of 1, if we keep x equals 2, so this turns out to be 3 times 2 plus 7 and 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 7 is a 13. So we can clearly see that on taking different values of x, we are getting two different values for the expressions. We can have multiple values of the variable in an expression. Now let us see how different is the equation from an expression. An equation also will have a term with a variable. So we are going to take a similar one, but it will definitely have an equal to sign in between. So we are taking an equation which is 3x plus 7 equals 10. Now because in this one there's an equal to sign present, so this is an equation and not an expression. Moreover, we can solve for the value of a variable for the equation. How can we do that? So if we take the value of x as 1, which means our left hand side is equal to 3 times 1 plus 7 and this is equal to 10, and our right hand side already has the number 10. We can see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So x equals 1 is the solution to this equation. Now let us try taking the value of x as 2. So if we take x as 2, the left hand side is 3 times 2 plus 7 and this is equal to 6 plus 7, which is a 13, and the right hand side is only a 10. So 13 is not equal to 10. So which means x plus 2 is not a solution to this equation. Which means in an equation, we can solve for the value of x and x will be only having certain specified values, which makes the left hand side of the equation equal to the right side of the equation. But for expression, we can keep taking as many values of the variable as possible and we can keep getting different values of the expression. I hope you understood the difference between an expression and equation. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.